Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use NotebookLM for content creation. All right, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open NotebookLM, sign into your account, and create a new notebook for your project. You can think of a notebook as the central hub for all of your content and research materials. Once the notebook is ready, start uploading the sources you want to work with. This can include PDFs, website links, Google Docs, plain text files, or even YouTube transcript content. One of the biggest advantages of NotebookLM is the ability to combine different formats together in one place, so your research becomes easier to manage and reference. Once your materials are uploaded, you can begin using the built-in chat system for research and idea generation. Start with broad prompts, such as asking NotebookLM to summarize the uploaded documents, and then gradually move into more detailed questions. For example, you might ask for the main takeaways from a guide or request several blog post ideas related to a specific niche, such as sustainable travel. You can continue refining your research by asking for comparisons, definitions, pros and cons, or explanations pulled directly from your uploaded materials. Once you have a clear direction, you can use NotebookLM to generate structure and drafts. After the draft is created, you can begin optimizing it for readability and SEO. Paste existing articles into the notebook and ask NotebookLM to review them for structure, clarity, and engagement. Another major benefit of NotebookLM is content repurposing. You can transform a YouTube transcript into a complete blog post, generate FAQs based on your research, or create study guides and short explainer scripts from the same materials. This makes NotebookLM a powerful tool for turning scattered information into organized, high-quality content across blogs, videos, scripts, and educational resources. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use NotebookLM for content creation. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.